Tesla Cybertruck saves owner in a deadly road accident. The Cybertruck went and crashed into an electric pole. The passengers were unharmed and walked free. The incident occurred in Mexico City. Cybertruck is undeniably in a sorry state. The front end, where the vehicle appears to have taken the brunt of the impact, is severely damaged, with the hood crumpled, the front wheel almost detached, and what appears to be debris strewn around the vehicle. It turns out that the Cybertruck does, in fact, have a crumple zone, but its design and function differ from traditional crumple zones. While effective in protecting occupants, the crumple zone strategy sacrifices overall structural integrity, leading to significant damage in the event of a collision. The Cybertruck is totaled and sadly the owner did not get much time to enjoy it.